So guys, getting back in the saddle again with this replacement drone. I've got a professional launch pad here. It's a kid's bucket from a bucket and spade you'd take on a beach. Yeah, I've done a bit of a risk assessment because, as you see my crash video, I've got some telegraph poles here, so I need to get above them, probably about 60 foot at least. But yeah, nice clear day other than that, and some bushes here, but not many trees. But seems like a good place to launch as any. Okay guys, so I don't know if this is because it's my first flight with the replacement drone, but I suspect it's this IMU calibration issue is due to a 4G mast, the mobile transmitter that's close by. You'll see it in the video, in fact. But yeah, I've never done the IMU calibration before on the previous drone that I had, and it confused me at first. So you have to have it on a flat surface, as it says. So firstly, you put it face down, and it calibrates the compass inside the drone, basically. And then this bit confused me. I wasn't watching the screen properly, obviously. You have to turn it on its side. So basically, you have to turn it on all 4 axes when it tells you, so that the drone's compass, as I say, can be calibrated. So there we go. So I finally got my head around that. And yeah, there's some surprises in this one. Don't fly near 4G mast, guys. I know this area well, and I know there's a mast there. But yeah, it caught me out a bit. So just to let you know, there is 4K footage after this. I just wanted to show from my screen record what happened, because it shows all the settings on the screen, obviously, as if you were flying. But yeah, if you want to skip to the end, guys, or you know, further on, about 5 minutes, there is 4K footage as well. But yeah, have a watch, see what you think about what this 4G mast did. Okay, so this is where things go haywire. So I'm used to this AEB, like the auto shooting, where it takes three stills, and it does take a little while. Normally it spins, but if you look, guys, it's totally frozen. The screen of the drone, the screen on my phone, the feed of the drone. So I'm descending now on the controller, and the image is just frozen. So yeah, a bit like panic stations, but luckily, obviously, I'm flying by line of sight, so I was able to bring the drone down manually. So again, this bit spooked me, guys. Watch out for the return to home message in a moment. So the drone or the app knows there's no transmission, and yeah, worrying stuff, but it's definitely that 4G mast that got me, so it's my own fault for not clocking it first, really. So because I did press return to home and I had the return to home altitude set as 100 meters, the drone's ascending now, and again, still got no feed, and I chickened out and thought, oh, I'm going to cancel this and bring it down again manually by line of sight. Okay, so that's my story. Don't fly near 4G mast, lesson learned. So here's the 4K footage, guys. Hope you enjoy it. If you've made it this far, please consider a like and subscribing. I'd really appreciate that. So I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. It was my first flight after receiving the replacement drone. And yeah, with the big daft stupid man's funds up there, all went well and we didn't crash it into anything. Although, yeah, the 4G mast nearly caught me out. And but yeah, as I say, thanks for watching again, guys, and I'll see you on the next